Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Bull Bay, St. Thomas. Well, Bull Bay is in both St. Andrew and St. Thomas. But we are out in St. Thomas. And we're going to go through 5 mega developments that are taking place in St. Thomas. Now, for a very long time, St. Thomas was the forgotten parish. It was basically very hard to get to because the road infrastructure was awful. Some of the worst roads you could find in Jamaica. But look at this. This is a Southern Coastal Highway, a game changer for the parish of St. Thomas. So because of this road, St. Thomas is now open for business. A lot of mega developments are taking place in St. Thomas. So, number one is the Southern Coastal Highway. This road takes you from Harborview in Kingston to Port Antonio in Portland. So it goes right through St. Thomas into Portland. Now, this section we're looking at is between Kingston and Albion, and that's what it's going to be 4 lanes. Super highway, one of the nicest roads you will find in Jamaica. From Kingston to Albion it's 4 lanes, and then from Albion to Port Antonio is 2 lanes. So number 5 is the Southern Coastal Highway. Number 4 will be the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now it's so ironic that from a parish that never had a KFC, never had a Juicy Patties, never had a Hilo, the Morant Bay Urban Center is another game changer. Everybody wants a location in St. Thomas now. So the Morant Bay Urban Center is where they're building practically a mini city. It's going to have a bank, it's going to have a passport office, courthouse, tax office, all the infrastructure you need. Plus it's going to have commercial buildings, and Hart is going to have a location there, a BPO. It's like they're building a mini town, and it's sold out, and it's so successful that they are now going to replicate that model in other areas in Jamaica. Number 3 is the Suncoast Beach Club. Now this is a luxury development where they're going to be building hundreds of homes in St. Thomas. They've actually started. And all the developments we're talking about, we have videos up, you can check them out. This is a luxury residential development in St. Thomas. Number 2 will be the Mahogany Vale Dam. Now, Jamaica has a serious problem with water. Some areas have grown so fast that the supply of water just isn't adequate. Like in Kingston and St. Andrew, you have 2 dams, and they just cannot supply the water for the growing population in Kingston and St. Andrew. So they plan to build another dam out in St. Thomas, the Mahogany Vale Dam, that will have enough water, or it will ensure an adequate supply of water. And number 1 is the Micro Business Park. Now, the Morant Bay Urban Center did so well. It sold out in no time. It did so well that they're now going to be developing another 10 acres beside the Morant Bay Urban Center. And that is where they're going to have this new business park. So also, they haven't started yet, but as soon as the Morant Bay Urban Center is finished, they will start with that one. So those are 5 mega developments taking place in St. Thomas. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.